Hey everyone, my name is Ashley and I have been going to Hope4Life for 4 years now. When I first started going to Hope4Life, I was by no means in a position to financially be able to afford the value of what I was receiving at Hope4Life. I mean, weekly classes on emotional intelligence, spiritual healing, connecting to my body, things that were absolutely new to me, things that I was not taught anywhere else, not at home, not in school, not in the workplace. I would not have been able to keep up with that level of resources at a financial level had it not been for a place like Hope4Life. One of the things that beyond everything that I was receiving week to week was incredible for me was the community that I found at Hope4Life. I remember when I first started facing really dark, challenging, hard things that I had never faced before, at least not in that way, not with such consciousness, not with such presence. It was really scary. It was really scary to go inward into those dark shadow parts of myself. And what helped me was just having this community. I mean, Hope4Life is so much more than the classes. It's so much more than the support group. It's the little conversations in the kitchen. It's the lunches after the class. It's the phone calls in between. It's the texts. It's the spiritual and healthy figures that you get. That's a parent or a sister or a uncle or a friend that you never experience in such a healthy way. I mean, that's what makes it so powerful. It's all the in-between moments that really change your life. And I'm just so grateful that a place like Hope4Life exists. If it wasn't for Hope4Life, I wouldn't be this authentic, honest, brave, very free version of myself that I've always longed to be, I always knew existed. I always felt deep in my soul like there's more, but I didn't know how to get to the more. Hope4Life for me has been a gateway to the more, the door to the more. And I'm just so grateful for all the people that have truly played a role in sowing seeds into this mission and sowing seeds into the people that are here, especially those that can't give back, because where I am today, I have received so much and have grown so much and really experienced success in my life at a holistic level that today I can give back in a way that I couldn't at the time. So I want to thank you. I want to thank you to those of you who have been part of my journey, for giving when I couldn't give, for sowing when I couldn't sow, for giving and letting me receive with unending grace and love. And I'm grateful that today I get to pay it forward. But first, thank you, Hope4Life. Thank you, Laki and Giovanna. Thank you to every single person who makes this place so special. And thank you to all our incredible donors who give to a cause that impacts generations.